What's up, YouTube? So I've been seeing these 14-day pool experiments from Tor Lowry, and I really want to try it myself, see if it works. So I just downloaded the videos that has the same material that the participants go through, has the same training material. So I'm going to try it out myself. Right now, I'm currently level 2 APA Pool League player, which is pretty bad. This means that I'm not really good at all right now. Works or not. But one day is equal to 8 hours of practice. If I can practice for only 2 hours a day, that's going to be a 56-day long experiment. I'll be done by June 20th, 2021. And this is the material that I'm seeing on his videos. Something very similar. I just put kicking and banking before half table patterns, just because I know absolutely nothing about kicking and banking. So I will want to learn that earlier than later. And remember, I'm currently a level 2 AP pool league player, which is really bad. So, I've seen a lot of videos where usually it's these expert pool players and then the beginners can't like relate at all. So we're really going to see this actually works. I'm going to post an update video, uh, and then, I could see if I'm going to be able to win tournaments and stuff, or at least go up a few levels. I'm really going to go through the same training and practice in those videos. If this really works, you guys should try it too. But a lot of people are skeptical. This is going to be a good experiment for me.
I got my own pool table set up. I just recently got it. So I should have enough time, 2 hours a day to practice this stuff. And I really want to become good.